A black hole is one of the strangest objects in the universe. It forms when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses in on itself. The gravity becomes so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. That's why we call it a black hole. It doesn't let anything out, not even a single photon. Think of a black hole as a cosmic trapdoor. If you get too close, you fall in, and there's no way back. The edge of this point of no return is called the event horizon. Scientists can't see black holes directly, but they can spot their effects. For example, stars orbiting around something invisible, or bursts of energy from matter falling in. Black holes come in different sizes. Some are as small as a city, but way more than our sun. Others, called supermassive black holes, sit at the centers of galaxies and have masses millions or even billions of times that of the sun. No matter the size, the rules are the same. Gravity wins, and everything else loses. Black holes are cosmic mysteries. They challenge what we know about physics, and when they collide, the universe gives us some of its loudest, most dramatic events. In November 2023, scientists made an astonishing discovery. They detected the biggest stellar mass black hole merger ever observed. This event sent ripples through space, literally. These ripples are called gravitational waves, and they were picked up by the LIGO and Virgo detectors here on Earth. The two black holes involved in this cosmic smash-up were massive. One had about 50 times the mass of the Sun, and the other weighed in at a whopping 80 solar masses. When they collided, they merged into a single black hole with a mass of around 120 suns. That's a lot of mass packed into a space smaller than Manhattan. This merger was a record breaker for several reasons. It involved the largest stellar mass black holes ever seen merging. The energy released in this event was truly mind-blowing. In a fraction of a second, more energy was unleashed than all the stars in our galaxy produce in years. But what really caught scientists by surprise was that black holes this big were not supposed to exist. At least, not in this way. It was like finding a blue whale in a backyard pond. The rules of star life and death seemed to say, these giants couldn't be here. Astronomers have long studied how black holes are formed. When giant stars die, they explode in supernovas, often leaving behind black holes. But there seemed to be a limit to their size. Astronomers called it the pair instability mass gap. According to theory, black holes between 65 and 120 solar masses just shouldn't form from a single star. So when scientists saw a black hole merging that was nearly 80 solar masses, they scratched their heads. How could it be there? And how could the final product, weighing in at 120 suns, exist at all? These questions led to new ideas about how such massive black holes might come into being. Some researchers suggested that maybe, instead of one giant star collapsing, these big black holes were formed by earlier black hole collisions. Imagine a cosmic family tree of black holes, merging over and over, growing larger each time. Others wondered if our understanding of stellar explosions needed an update. This discovery forced scientists to rethink the rules. It showed that the universe can surprise us, and that sometimes, cosmic impossibilities do happen. One leading idea is that these record-breaking black holes are the result of multiple mergers. In dense regions of space, like star clusters, black holes can find each other again and again. It's like a cosmic dance floor, where partners keep changing and some pairs decide to stick together for good. When two black holes merge, the result is a bigger black hole. If this new black hole stays in the cluster, it can meet another partner and merge again. Over millions of years, this process can create black holes, much larger than any single star could make on its own. This hierarchical merging could explain how we end up with black holes in the forbidden mass gap. Other possibilities include stars in special environments. Some stars might be able to hold on to more of their mass when they die, thanks to low amounts of heavy elements in their makeup. These metal-poor stars lose less material to space, so their leftover black holes are bigger. But, even with these clever ideas, scientists still need more evidence. Each new merger detected gives us clues. The universe keeps us guessing, and that's part of the fun. Magnetic fields play a quiet but important role in space. They help shape everything from galaxies to tiny dust grains. When it comes to black holes, scientists think magnetic fields could be a key to making very massive ones. In the final stages of a massive star's life, magnetic fields can change how the star's core collapses. Strong magnetic fields may help the star hold onto more of its material, instead of blowing it away in a supernova explosion. This means more mass is left to form a bigger black hole. Magnetic fields can also act like cosmic brakes, slowing down the spinning of the star. This can help funnel more gas and dust into the forming black hole. In this way, magnetic fields might help create black holes that break through stars, the old mass limits. The details are still being worked out, but as scientists build better models and run more computer simulations, they are discovering that magnetic fields might be one of the universe's secret black hole builders. The 2023 black hole smash-up was a huge deal for science. Every time LIGO or Virgo hears the chirp of a black hole collision, we learn something new about gravity and the universe. This event showed us black holes can be much bigger than we thought. It really pushes us to improve our models of how stars live and die. It also helps us understand the environments where these collisions happen. Are they in star clusters, or are they out in the galactic wilds? Each detection gives us hints, helping us map the who, what, where, and when of black hole life stories. But don't worry, these events are happening far, far away. The 2023 merger took place billions of light years from Earth. The gravitational waves that reached us were tiny and harmless. There's no danger of a black hole collision happening in our cosmic neighborhood anytime soon. Instead, these discoveries give us a front-row seat to the universe's biggest dramas, without any risk. We get to watch, learn, and marvel from a safe distance. Not all black hole collisions are between normal black holes. Some happen between giants, supermassive black holes millions or even billions of times heavier than our Sun. In 2023, astronomers found the closest pair of supermassive black holes ever seen, sitting at the heart of a galaxy called Abell 402 BCG. These two monsters are separated by just 24 light-years, a tiny distance when you remember that our own galaxy is 100,000 light-years across. Each black hole is over 800 million solar masses. For now, they orbit each other in a cosmic waltz, slowly drawing closer together over millions of years. What makes this pair special is how close they are and how massive they are. Most supermassive black holes are loners at the centers of galaxies. Finding a pair this close means the galaxy itself is likely the result of past galactic mergers. When these two finally collide, the explosion of energy will outshine all the stars in their galaxy for a brief moment. It's a future event, but astronomers are watching closely, eager to catch a glimpse of this ultimate cosmic smash-up. The universe is full of black holes, and well, many of them have dramatic encounters. Before the 2023 record-breaker, the biggest stellar mass black hole merger was detected in 2019. That event involved black holes of 66 and 85 solar masses, creating a new black hole of about 142 solar masses. Scientists called it an intermediate mass black hole, a rare find. There's also the famous first detection of gravitational waves in 2015. That was the moment humanity first heard black holes collide. Those black holes were smaller, about 29 and 36 solar masses. But the discovery opened a new window on the universe. Supermassive black hole pairs have also been spotted in other galaxies. For example, the galaxy NGC 6240 contains two supermassive black holes, but they are much farther apart than the pair in Abell 402 BCG. Each new discovery helps us piece together how galaxies and their central black holes grow over time. All these finds show us that black holes are more common and more varied than we once thought. The universe is a busy place. Every new black hole collision teaches us something new. We learn about the limits of star death, the environments where black holes form, and the hidden forces, like magnetic fields, that shape cosmic events. Each merger is like a puzzle piece in the story of the universe. These discoveries also help us understand galaxy evolution. Supermassive black hole mergers reveal how galaxies collide and grow. The waves they send out help us map space and test Einstein's theory of gravity under extreme conditions. Perhaps most importantly, these events remind us that the universe is full of surprises. Black holes that shouldn't exist do exist. Galaxies can harbor not just one, but two supermassive black holes. Our theories must keep up with what the cosmos reveals. As we listen for more cosmic smash-ups with better detectors, we'll keep learning, keep questioning, and keep our eyes on the stars. The universe still has many secrets left to share.